I see those eyes and my walls come down.
Lenovo Miix 630 hands-on, 20 hours of battery life. I was extremely inspired when I first observed a workstation running the Snapdragon 835, a CPU ordinarily utilized as a part of top-of-the-line telephones. Jettisoning the typical Intel chips for something from Qualcomm enables these workstations to be strangely thin and light, as well as pack truly commendable battery life. Lenovo first prodded the Miix 630M at the Qualcomm Summit before the end of last year, yet we've at last got our hands on one at CES 2018. Lenovo Miix 630 discharge date and cost. Costs for the Miix 630 will begin at $799 when it's discharged in Q2, yet we don't have any UK particular estimating at this stage. Lenovo Miix 630, design and highlights. Like each other Microsoft Surface Pro clone, the Miix 630 feels extremely well known. The clicky console cuts onto the 12.3-inch WXG Plus screen with magnets, and a kickstand can be found on the back. Dissimilar to the Surface Pro, however, both the console and a stylus are incorporated into the crate. Hawk Magpie. Amid my brief time frame with the gadget, I observed the screen to be splendid and bright. Actually, the entire bundle felt well constructed. The edges of the show are super sharp, in any case, which makes it a long way from perfect in the hands when it's undocked from the console. There's a solitary USB-C port as an afterthought for information and charging, 4 or 8 GB RAM, and up to 256 GB of inward stockpiling. Lenovo has included a Windows Hello Good camera for simple opening of the gadget with your face. All the above specs are not bad, but at the same time not enough to blow anyone's mind, yet it's extremely the Snapdragon 835 portable stage inside the gadget that makes this half-breed truly fascinating. Lenovo is guaranteeing you'll get 20 hours of battery life from a solitary charge, and there's LTE bolster ideal out of the container. Regardless of whether this is the truth stays to be seen, however it's unquestionably an energizing prospect. Like the other Snapdragon 835 PCs, the Miix 630 accompanies Windows 10s, yet you'll have the capacity to refresh it to full-fat Windows 10 Pro for nothing. Early introductions. The outline doesn't do much to energize the faculties, yet the possibility of the Miix 630 running on the Snapdragon 835 stage does. The prospect of 20 hours of battery life and LTE bolster is energizing, and I can hardly wait to really utilize one of these gadgets for an expanded time frame.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher.